You want in English? Yeah. See, we are a delegation of 8 people. We have come from Delhi, from various places. They are all there. Our members from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. We are all here to come and witness what happened actually on the 27th night. And it is such a horrible and a biggest stampede which has happened, which has never happened in the history of politics. I would say that, because normally political rallies are done in a very proper way, and proper security is given, and then normal stages are put, and then the artist or whoever goes there, the leader, they talk there, and then people are sitting in a comfortable place. That the administration should have taken care of that, which they failed to do it. That's what I feel. And then also the people are also feeling very bad about it. That I went and saw the place where the stampede took place. It is very sad to see such a sight, because one after the other, one over the other, the people have fallen and died in the ditch, and then the electricity went off suddenly, and then somebody is throwing chappal and all. I mean, I heard all this thing. It is unheard, It's something very different kind of a thing. So who is responsible for all this thing, we want to know. So that is why we all came for this delegation, and we came to the hospital here to see the injured people also, and then they are better, they are recovering better and better. But it is very sad to see that 41 people died. Out of that, about 17 women died. And then small children also. There are small kids who are crazy to see the actor, so they went to see him. And this is what has happened. So this whole responsibility is whose? The administration or the organizers? So we have to find out. We want to know that.
You have met the people there, and what are their claims? And do they say that there hasn't been enough police force which was present?
Security has to be given. See, even I go for a rally, all this road show and all we go. When we go on a road show, even if it is an arrow in Mathura and all we go, it's very small roads are there. But on both the sides, people are standing, and then we keep waving and keep moving, and then the police is there at the back, and they don't let us stop the car at all. They keep moving. So there is no problem at all. Here, everything is stopped, and it is a narrow position. Absolutely, it's a what do you call bottleneck. And then and 10,000 people you are expecting in that place. Not even 1,000 people can stand, and 10,000. And then they are saying 30,000. It is very sad to see such a thing. It should not happen.
And so many people have lost their lives. Several others were still injured and receiving treatment.
Yes.
There's a political blame game going on. You said that you talked to people. Vijay came late. There were so many people waiting there without food, water, and everything. Do you think there is even an ounce or iota of blame on Vijay and
Vijay, I don't know about that, but he should have also seen when he is so popular, it is his responsibility to see that it doesn't invite many people. How much the security can give, that much only he should allow. He should have asked for that. And it seems he asked for a better place, but it was not given to him. They gave some other place, which is so narrow. You take it.
The first thing that ma'am mentioned was that the organizer should have thought about giving us space. This is telling the organizer should have thought about that Vijay would be attractive.
No, I never said that.
No, you never
Sweet
said that.
I did not say sweet.
This is Anil. I think we should stop.
We have to.
We should stop now. We'll talk later.
We'll go.
Let me just add to what Hemaji said. This delegation of NDA Member of Parliaments first express their condolences to the families who have lost their loved one, their family members. And we have visited the hospital also. We pray for the speedy recovery for those who are admitted in the general hospital.
Yes.
Many were taken to the private hospitals or maybe to their homes who have not come here. So there were 3-4 hospitals in the surrounding area, private hospitals. The patients were not taken there, the injured were not taken there, but they brought here. It took much more time. That is one. Second, we will be meeting the district officials after this. We have prepared a list of questions to ask them. All 8 MPs have signed this. We'll hold it for you. That what are the questions we are going to ask. So So shall we, रेखा जी आप इसको पकड़ लीजिए एक बार, इसको दे दीजिए. So हेमा जी पकड़. So we have few questions to ask the officials and the organizers. The truth is, the common men have lost their lives. Children, women, and the sole earner of bread for the families, they have lost their lives. And who's responsible for that? There should be a free and fair probe into this. We personally feel that a sitting Supreme Court judge must look into this. There should be a free and fair probe by the sitting Supreme Court judge. And let the truth come out. What were the shortcomings at the end of the organizers? What was the fault of the official state government? What led to this situation where fans, followers have lost their lives? When we reached the spot, looking at the shoes and slippers lying there, we couldn't control ourselves. We were so emotional. When we sat back into the cars, we were talking to each other that this is unimaginable how people could have managed to run from that side. Such a narrow road, hardly any place to escape from there. Can you imagine what happened that day? If 200, 300 could not fit into that area, how 30,000 people could have managed during that hours? What was administration doing? What was police department doing? What was organizers doing? There are a lot of question marks on all of them. The ruling party and the officials must answer this. And we have sought many answers from the officials, from the administration, and we want them to reply by this weekend so that this committee should finalize the report at the earliest and submit it to the BJP National President. We don't want to delay it.
Intelligence
We
failure.
want the DMK party to reply here.
Intelligence failure also.
And if you look at what is the intelligence department doing here? Were they not aware how many people have gathered? If the leader has come late, if Vijay has come late, already there are thousands of people gathered there. What steps have been taken by the police department? Where was local administration? What were organizers doing? Just throwing bottles on them? I think there are many serious questions to be answered. We're going to meet all those families now who have lost their family members. So all of us are going to divide in separate groups and going to visit each and every family so that we try and reach out to them. Thank you.
Sorry,
Thank you.
Hyderabad.
Thank you. Thank you. I think now we should.
எதிர்பார்க்கப்பட்ட கூட்டத்தை விட அதிக கூட்டம் வருவது தெரிந்த பிறகும் பிரச்சாரத்திற்கு அனுமதி அளித்ததாக என்டிஏ உண்மை கண்டறியும் குழு தலைவி ஹேமா மாலினி பரபரப்பு குற்றச்சாட்டை முன்வைத்திருக்கிறார். கரூரில் பெருந்துயரம் நிகழ்ந்த இடத்தில் நேர்வில் பார்வையிட்ட என்டிஏ உண்மை கண்டறியும் குழு தற்பொழுது செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்தது. நேரலையில் பல்வேறு குற்றச்சாட்டுகளை முன்வைத்திருக்கிறார் ஹேமா மாலினி. ஆயிரக்கணக்கானோர் கூடுவார்கள் என தெரிந்திருந்தும் குறுகிய இடத்தை ஒதுக்கியது ஏன் என எம்பி அனுராக் தாக்கூர் கேள்வி எழுப்பதையும் நாம் நேரலையில் பார்த்தோம். ஆயிரக்கணக்கான மக்கள் கூடுவார்கள் என தெரிந்திருந்தும் மிக குறுகலான இடத்தை மாவட்ட நிர்வாகம் ஒதுக்கியது ஏன் என எம்பி அனுராக் தாக்கூர் கேள்வி எழுப்பியிருக்கிறார். திமுக